Hey guys, Miss Snow Queen here. Today for you guys, on Unbagging. So this is a review package that was sent to me from Bona Fide Beauty. And they sell glass nail files. So let's get started. Going to open it. And it comes in this little box here. So I'm going to open, and there's the glass foil. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. It is purple and gold. I'm very excited to review this. It comes in this little protective case so that you can just slide it in and it's protected. So look out for a review on this, and that's it for this video. Like this video and subscribe. Comment down below if you have used their glass nail files before. I would love to know, and know a little bit of a review that you have for yourself also. So comment that down below as well. Follow me on my Instagram and Twitter, all under Miss_Nail_Queen, and add me on Facebook under Nail Queen. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!